How to set daily data usage limit on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily set the daily data usage limit on your Android phone. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, if you are using Samsung, you may need to head over to this connection section, or if you are using any other Android device, you might be able to find the option called network settings or mobile networks. Like, you simply head over to your search and simply search for the mobile networks, and from over here, once you click on it, you will be seeing the data usage option, and simply click on it. And before you can access your daily data usage limit section, before you can set it, what you can do is you have to enable this mobile data option, and from over here what you can do is simply click on any of either of the sim. You can also see sim 1, you can also set the limit for the sim 2. So basically you have to click on the mobile data usage. Let's say I use sim 2, which is my primary sim, and simply click on it. And once you click on it, you will see the settings gear option over here at the top, and just click on it and you will see the same option, that is the start billing cycle, which was shown on the previous screen. So what you can do is from over here is you can simply set the data limit. As you can see the option, just enable it, and from over here just click on it and just set how much data you want to use in a single day. So let's say I want to use 1 GB per day, and simply click on set, just like this, and then done, guys. That is exactly how you can easily set the daily data usage limit on your Android phone. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.